Wants a 3, 4, 5, 6% raise today? I know I would. I know you would. Anyone that says they wouldn't is lying. So grab your budget, open it up, and let's look at it. I'm going to show you how you can give yourself a raise today. So this is a budget. This is the one I've been using as an example. It kind of looks pretty close to the way I handle my own budgets. Take your line items that you have here, along with your monthly cost, okay, and you're going to copy them into a new tab in Excel. We're going to use Excel for this practice, okay? So we're going to copy them, we're going to paste them in here, all right? This just basically is all the bills with the total bills at the bottom, all right? And then what I did was I kind of put together a little scenario here for everyone. So I went online, I looked at what's the average salary of a U.S. Based employee, and average salary on the whole nation is about $56,000 a year. Okay, so if you're making $56,000 a year and you got a 3% raise, you would make about $1,700 extra dollars per year. Okay, would be your new salary. This is how much you would get paid extra per month. But after taxes, it really would only be about $100 per month. Okay. Now, if we look at the same math with a 5% raise, which is this one here, we would see you get about $150, and a 10% raise. That would be great, right? You would get about $300 extra per month. Okay. So basically, the grid is down here. 3% is 100, 5 that, 10 is 300. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to find your raise in your budget. Okay. So what I would do is start from the top. What can you actually cut out? So we got $0. We can't probably cut out. And I'm looking for low-hanging fruit here. Okay, so I'm looking here. Home and car, miscellaneous. Let's just start from the bottom. So from our low-hanging fruits, probably if we had a budget of $500 a month for groceries, we probably could cut out what, $20? Sure. We had something in here for restaurants and entertainment. We had $400 a month. Let's just say we cut back $20 a month. There you go. We have Hulu. We have $65 a month. I know they have a plan for $60 a month. So right there, we could probably save about $5. So we can cut $5 off. Netflix. Most people probably have Netflix out there. Again, your list will look different, right? Different values. But this is kind of just like the thought process of going through this. I know there's a Netflix account I think you get for $9. So it'd be saving me $6 right there a month. Internet. Everyone has internet. You wouldn't be watching this if you didn't have internet. $80 a month for internet? A little crazy to me. I'm pretty sure you can get that lowered down probably today if you called up your internet provider. Let's pretend you got that lowered down 20. I think you get it lowered down more. Okay. Electric bill, a little tough to get that cut down. Sewer, probably not. Gym membership. I don't know. Do you have a gym membership? I do. I don't. Used to have one. I got rid of it. But let's pretend you get rid of the gym membership. Okay. So now you're down to $30. You just got rid of. A lot of people have miscellaneous memberships out there, right? All kinds of different things, websites and stuff like that. You probably need to have a line item for each one of those in here. You don't need to cut out everything, right? We're not trying to live, with nothing, but we're just trying to cut out the things that are unnecessary. So let's say there's a $30 miscellaneous membership that we're paying out there. So let's get rid of that. Okay. So car insurance may be a little more difficult. Trash, car payment, these are all a little bit more difficult. Okay, probably to cut out. All right. So just by cutting out just these things, we've already given ourselves $131. We've given ourselves close to a 4% raise. But we can go better. We can do better. Let's start back from the top, okay? Cell phone. Can you think we can get our cell phone bill down? I'm sure we can. Let's say we got it down only $10 a month. We probably get it down more than that. Home phone, really? You need a home phone? We get rid of that. Car payment, we're not going to probably touch that. You can, but that's kind of a longer term thing. You probably can't do that this month. Trash, again, you probably can't really lower your trash bill. You can try. Let's say you're able to lower $2 a month. Home and car insurance. If you haven't called your homeowners or car insurance, in a couple months or a year or a couple years, especially, you could probably get your car and homeowners insurance lowered by probably 10, 15, $20, $50 a month easily, especially if it's you haven't talked to them in a couple years because they've probably been increasing it without you knowing, or just increasing it little by little. So you probably get them to lower that back down. So we're going to do that like $25. We'll probably get that down. Okay. So we're currently at $183. So we're over a 5% raise. We can get to 300. We can get to the 10% raise. Okay. The 10% raise will probably take a little bit more work. You probably have to work on maybe your mortgage or your insurance. I'm sorry, your mortgage or your rent. You may have to work on your car payment. Maybe you can refinance, or even better, pay off your car. Um, Things like water, sewer, and electric. These things are more long-term things, right? You need to start whenever you can maybe update your water fixtures to make them use less water, and actually that'd be a double, kind of like you would make your water bill lower and your sewer, because your sewer bill is based on your water bill, right? So you might be able to save money for them. This is kind of a longer term thing. And then your electric bill, if you have a high electric bill or any electric bill, you can lower it by doing all kinds of energy efficiency things. This gets more into like putting money out for the investment. Really, you're not going to see this up front quickly. So yeah, we give ourselves basically over a 5% raise today. These are all pretty simple things that anyone can cut out. Do it. Give yourself a raise.